Introducing aPriori.
I am here live at aPriori's 2022 Manufacturing Insights Conference with one of our expert users. Thank you so much for joining us. Could you just tell us who you are and what do you do in your work?
My name is Caroline, and I'm a team leader working at Soucy track system. And I've been working with aPriori from like 5 years now.
And what do you do specifically in your role?
I do cost analysis of the track system, and we are comparing with different regions. For example, China, Vietnam, US. So I'm basically comparing which region is the best one and which of the processes is the more effective for what we want to do with the part. So yeah, cost analysis.
So tell me, what was that transition like for you, going from an Excel spreadsheet to the aPriori solution?
Well, it saved us so much time and effort, and it's very easier to do a report and to send that to the engineering to understand where are the costs, where the main cost is coming from, and if the design is good, does it need to be corrected, and all of that stuff.
So it's changed your level of collaboration with the engineers?
Yes, exactly.
Has that been a ramp up over the past 5 years? Has it taken some time for engineers to get on the same page with the cost analysis team?
Yeah. At first, they wasn't understanding what aPriori was. It was like a big black box, and they were thinking it was just click on cost and that's it, that's the number. But no, it's more than that. You need to analyze, to incorporate different regions and different processes, and you know.
Has there been any change in the way that you used aPriori over the past 5 years?
Yes, of course. Yes. Now we are using it to negotiate with the suppliers, which is very nice, and the suppliers understand what is aPriori, and they understand that it's not just a number that we're sending them. You know, there's analysis behind it, and yes, it's helped us saving many dollars.
So you started off saving dollars in your manufacturing processes, and then you started using the same software to save cost through your negotiation process.
Exactly.
That's super exciting. Are you excited about looking towards carbon tracking as another area?
It's the subject of the hour. Everyone's talking about it. And yes, we have a new objective about that, so I'm very excited to know what aPriori can offer us about that and how we can use it.
So we're going to just keep adding things. You started with cost analysis, you went to supplier negotiation, now it's going to be carbon on top of it. So we're going to, hopefully we'll keep solving problems. As the problems keep occurring, we'll keep giving you new tools to address them.
That's a good resume.
Thank you so much for talking to me today.
Thank you to you.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.